Hello friends, today our topic is techniques of discus throw. Techniques means skill or ability in a particular field or a way of carrying out a particular task of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called of discus throw. The discus throw, also known as disc throw, is a track and field event in which an athlete throws a heavy disc called a discus. Few techniques of discus throw are as listed below. Few means small number. Techniques, skill or ability in a particular field of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called of discus throw. The discus throw, also known as disc throw, is a track and field event in which an athlete throws a heavy disc called a discus or as listed below means or as marked under. Gripping means when gripping the discus, a young athlete should hold the discus flat against their palm, sit the edge of the discus on the pads of their fingers next to their first finger joints, rest their thumb on the back of the discus. The hand is placed flat on the discus means when the discus is to be gripped, the hand having a level surface, fingers slightly spread and the thumb is used for balance means the fingers of discus thrower are a little bit scattered and the thumb is used for stability. During the throw, the speed of rotation keeps the discus under the hand means a period of time the discus thrower throw the discus rate at which and covers distance and the action of rotating about an axis or center at a lower level of hand. Swing means discus throw is all about the proper use of centrifugal force. Now by doing back and forth motion of your shoulders, swing the discus from your left hand and try to catch it in your right hand. The feeling of pushing out on the hand should come while doing so. In swinging, a rhythmic action is done, means during moving back, forth, or from side to side, the process of doing something in which weight that is repeated. The athlete moves the discus back and forth in a movement that follows the arc of the rotation to come means a person who takes part in competitive track and field events move the discus forward and backward swing that come after the bent revolving has to come. His arms and shoulders are relaxed and he concentrates intentionally. Means the discus thrower arms and shoulders are free from tension and anxiety during swing and the thrower focus with extreme force or strength. Spin means the thrower typically takes an initial stance facing away from the directions of the thrower. He then spins anti-clockwise around 1.5 times through the circle to build momentum. Then releases his throw. The discus is spun off the index finger or the middle finger of the throwing hand. During 1.5 turn rotations, the athlete's body accumulates as much energy as possible. Means at the time of spin, the thrower takes 1.5 turning or revolving, gather or collect as much as strength actually happening. A right thrower pushes off his left leg powerfully while his left arm acts as a counterweight along the axis of the shoulders. Means a right-handed thrower exerts force on the left leg with great power or strength. A period of time, the left arm of the thrower play a role as defend the mass along the center line of the shoulders. His feet leave the ground momentarily, means the feet of the throwers go away from the surface for a very short time. Drive means operate and control the direction and speed of a body. This is very hard to achieve. The critical stage is the delivery of the discus from this power position. The hips drive through hard up to the last movement. The trunk and the arms are behind the feet, means as far as the action to finish, the tosser and arms are back of the feet. The athlete maintains this complex balance during the movement, means the discus thrower keeps this difficult position at the time of moving. Thrower spots a fixed visual reference, means the discus thrower set the mark with eyes where he is going to throw the discus. Release means the thrower typically takes an initial stance facing away from the directions of the throw, hence then spins anti-clockwise around 1.5 times through the circle to build momentum, then release his throw. Using the right leg as a lever, the athlete quickly straightens his body, means utilize his right leg as a lift. The discus thrower rapidly make his body straight. The discus is released in an explosive motion as the arm is whipped around, means the discus thrower free or allow the discus with enough power to ultimately move heavy weights very quickly as the arm is thrown on every side or on all sides. Thanks and have a nice